Okay, let's try this again. What's up, guys? It's your girl Deja D here, and today I'm here with a new type of video. By the title of the video, you already know what's about to go on. So it's about that time for senior pictures to get taken. If you have or have not taken your pictures, it's almost that time. Class of 2019. Okay, so today I just purchased some new makeup products, and I'm just about to show you all how I'm going to do my makeup for my senior pictures. Senior pictures are supposed to be very light, very neutral, you know. You just want to, you know, enhance your beauty. I'm going to get my eyebrows done, so this is as best as they're looking right now, but they don't look too bad. So we're about to go get right into this video. Of course, I take my senior pictures on Monday. Today is Tuesday, so you know, I got time to get myself together, you know, nails on, hair done, everything did. First, going to make sure I prime my face very, very well. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses primer because I didn't want to, like, you know, buy a bunch of stuff that I didn't know. So I'm going to, like, play it safe. It's a picture. So I'm going to map my face out. We don't want, okay, this is my old one. You see it's, like, very, very dirty. It's my newer one. But I'm going to use the old one because there's no product in it. But you don't really, you want to get nicer things, but not like things that you're not aware of. Although you can still practice, you just want to do what you know. And it's just a picture. It's not prom. So let's just put this primer on. Let's just put this primer. It's also good that we're going to be using a lot of matte products. I'm putting some of the primer on my eyelids as well. Because you don't want like a very greasy, oily looking picture. But for my senior pictures, I'm going to be using my NYX one because it's very matte. I didn't really want a dewy foundation because you want to avoid looking oily, like I said originally. So today I just went and purchased a e.l.f. foundation brush. And then I have, this is my old foundation brush. It's an NYX brush. But this brush is very old and it's starting to get like streaky. I should have got a new one today. But I wanted to, like, you know, save some coins. And I got this e.l.f. one just because I wanted to be able to, like, paint the foundation on my face. I do like these flatter foundation brushes just because, I don't know, I can really get into my face crevices, like, under the nose and, like, really up underneath the eyes. It's just, this is a easier brush I could use as well. So I know I'm looking a little crazy, but now I'm going to take my beauty sponge and I'm just going to pat and blend this all into my face. And yeah, just really blend out my foundation because right now I'm looking a little crazy. So you could build up the foundation as much as you want. This is a very light coverage that I have, and I prefer that whole less is more, especially because you want this to look like, you know, your face. You just really want to get rid of those really blemishes. Like, I know I have a lot of dark eye circles and I have a lot of scarring, so like my forehead scarring. I see this is not really covered up all the way, but after concealer and all of that other stuff, it's going to be good and gone. So now I'm going to take my LA Girl my Pro Concealers, and I picked up some more. I got a darker one for some contour, got a lighter one for some highlight, and a neutral one just because I like to always have a neutral one, so we can put the neutral one away. So now that we have concealed our face, we're going to begin to put the color back in our face. So I'm first going to take my dark concealer and just contour. Oh, wait, let me squeeze a little. And we're not going to drag it all the way down. We're literally just going to go like this far, that far, and then put a little bit on our foreheads. And I'm literally just taking the smallest amount of this because it's not very dark. So now that our contour is done, it's time to set everything on my face. So I always like to use, well, I don't always like to, but I always use my Ruby Kisses Banana HD powder, so that's what we're going to be using today. I never bake, and we're not going to start now. So I'm just going to put some of this on my powder and get as much excess off as possible, because this stuff will make you flash back. And when I say we want the smallest amount, the smallest. And we're just going to take that and just lightly brush that all over the face. And even if you're like still skeptical on how much you're putting on your face, you don't need that much. You just need enough to mattify it, but not bake it, because literally the pictures is going to take like click, 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 next. They're not going to necessarily say next. It's going to take you a minute to take the pictures, but you're not going out for a full jog. So less is more. And literally I'm just rubbing this powder over my face. I always also like to take a really, really big fluffy brush and get the excess off, even if you might not think it's no excess. I just like to take this really, really big brush and make sure it ain't no excess over all of the spots that I just put that powder on. Next step is going to be the contour. And this is a really, really simple makeup look. So now, back the last two in this palette, I like to just run my brush over it, get that extra off, and just go. I'm gonna just go in and do my number 3. As you see, that's a lot, so just blend it all out. Blend it up into that hairline, blend it down on your forehead. Just make yourself back brown. And I'm just going to set my face with some setting powder. This is some Wet n Wild setting powder. Whew. And I'm just going, you want to make sure this is a mattifying finish matte primer setting spray. It's very, very cheap, so I'm just going to set my face because we want to make sure that it stay looking good. Ooh, okay. So you could finish this look here and just do your eyelashes, but no, hunty. We are going to do some eyeshadow. So today I picked up this Cosmic eyeshadow palette by NYX. This is the Cosmic Meadows palette. They had 2. I got the one with the more goldish shades. Let's just look at this. Its swatch is very, very pretty. I know that I want to use this gold, and I might use this like champagne-ish color. But for my look, I want to just stay very, very natural and very, very neutral. I also picked up some more eyeshadow brushes just because I love the e.l.f. eyeshadow brushes. They're so nice. Because this look is so neutral, I don't even need to put a base on my eyes. I'm going to add a dark matte shade, but I'm not going to take it up real high. Real high. I'm going to try to focus it. So just take a dark matte brown. Ooh, let's get you to tone down. Okay, I'm going to take a dark matte brown with this flat eyeshadow brush and just gently apply that at the back of my lid and kind of blend that. You could say, okay, I'm going to apply like right here, but like blend it upward a little bit. Like very, very light neutral. If you're coming for a colorful look, you came to the wrong place, or not the wrong channel. I mean, subscribe because new looks coming soon, but you coming to the wrong episode, okay? The wrong video. So just blend this out at the back, and you could build it up to as much pigment as you want. And I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back. So now I'm about to go into this palette with a lighter brown, which is more like this shade. And I'm literally going to take a smaller defined brush in the crease, and I'm going to go in the end. As you see, I didn't take that color all the way. I'm acting like I got makeup on. Luckily it didn't come off. But I'm going to put that more at the end. And this shade right here, it's like a very goldish color. So I'm just going to start to literally add that in the crease area of the eye, just to start making it a little less dark, and bring that down to the lid. And I'm actually going to bring this a little more closer to the inner corner. Just further out, further than the last shade I just had. So now it's time to lighten up the look because that brown that I added at first was very, very dark. You can take your brush that you just used this last shimmer shade on and kind of blend that up there as well with the brown. Like the slightest amount, just to tone it down a little bit because we don't want it super, super dark. So just take that extra shimmer shade that you had and tone that down. Now we're going to finish it off, and I'm going to go into the NYX Cosmic Metals palette, and I'm going to first use this gold color, and I'm going to use that same brush I used with the last shimmer shade, but I'm going to spray some, what's this called? Setting. What's this called? Setting spray, just to dampen the brush up. That way these metals and shimmer shades can really, really pop. Because we want this to really, really pop. So I'm first going to take this golden shade at the top. These shades don't have no names on them, so sorry guys. If you see this NYX palette, just, you know, assume you know what the shade name is. Yeah, it don't have a name. Sorry, no name. And I'm going to just pack this on the center of the lid. Ooh, that setting spray making my eyes tingle. Ain't burning, but it's like tingle. And we want this gold to like look nice. A little nice neutral little gold. Pack that in the middle of the eye. Come through pigment. Come through. And now I'm just going to blend that out, especially the ending part, because we don't want it to be like, oh, this color, then this color, then this color. No, we want to blend that out. And now I'm going to go in with the same brush using this more champagne-ish color. I want y'all to see. So this is the first color I use, and now I'm going to use this one. It's like a champagne-ish color. And I'm going to add that to like the inner part of my eye and drag that to the inner corner. I'm also going to, sorry I'm talking like that. All of the extraness, I'm just going to take that to my under. So to add some depth into the eyes, because it looks like just a lot of shimmer, I'm going to go in with a dark brown matte shadow using a more defined brush and really go into the crease. Now I want y'all to see. I'm going to just basically go in and add some like kind of like contour to the eyes with a matte shadow and just drag that on the crease. That way it's not like overwhelmingly shimmery. And just really just try to tone down so it could really give my eyes some definition. Because if not, I'll be like a shimmery mess. So now I'm going to just line my eyes. I'm going to do a really small a really small wing. And for my lashes, I picked up these. These are the e.l.f. Natural Lash Kit. I'm not going to use their lash glue. I have my own lash glue. This is the Duo Lash Glue. That's the lash glue that I'm going to end up using. So with these e.l.f. Natural Lash Kit, this is how the lashes look. So this is the lash. Let me focus. So this was the lash at first. As you see, that looked a little like, you know, just regular lashes. And I actually took my spoolie and did that trick where it's like made it a little more wispy natural looking. So that's what I'm going to do over here. Just, you know, separate it a little bit more so it can look like a little less focused and structured, I guess you could say. Just like separate it. But yeah, I'm just about to do my wing, a little natural cat eye, and I'm gonna put these lashes and my mascara on, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to do the last few steps. I have this, can you cut that off? I have this very gold shimmery eyeshadow. I'm just going to place some of this in the inner corner of my eye. You can use highlight as well. It's just I have this, so I don't use it for nothing else. Might as well just put it here. Oh, but heck not. And just a little bit, because we don't want too much, you know. We don't want to do too much. And now I'm going to add some highlight like I do all the time. I'm going to use my gold highlight out of the AO2 highlighter. Sorry, somebody just testing me. And we all talk about, I'll see your pictures. So I'm going to, you can apply this with a fan brush to get a more natural look, but I really like this brush. So I'm going to just do my regular thing and not add too much, because we don't, like I said, we don't want to look too shiny, but you know, shiny enough. And for my lips, which is going to be the last thing, I'm going to line my lips with this regular brown lip liner. I'm going to line my lips, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna line my lips. So once my lips are lined, I'm going to take this NYX Butter Lip Gloss in the shade Madeline. That's what it says. It says whatever. It says Madeline, and it's just one of the butter glosses. And I'm gonna place that in the center of my lips. And we are done, you guys. Look at this beautiful look. Of course, my hair will be done. My eyebrows will be a little thinner, so they'll be cleaner. And this is the final look. Hey, 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 just killed it. Ah! Okay, but be sure to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to tag me on my social medias. My social medias are in the description box. Be sure to tag me with your senior pictures. I'll be sure to tag you all with mine. I love you guys so much. 2K19, put some the parade emojis, or like the confetti emojis, or like the balloon emojis, or like the dancing emojis, or like the graduation emojis, or like drop your graduation year. If you're 2019, definitely drop it. Definitely, everybody. Oh, I know my subscribers is 2019. I see you. I see you, 2K19. Be sure to comment that you're 2K19. Nobody judging you. Don't think you chant because you commented under people's YouTube posts. And you could also set this before you could set this again before you take your pictures, because why not? And you can also take some blotting sheets, but I'm about to take this all off, so no point in me doing all of that. But I hope you all enjoyed this look. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, because 84% of y'all that be watching my videos aren't subscribed. I know the numbers, so be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.